Hi everyone, hope all of you are fine. Today I will show you how to import your WooCommerce sample data to your WordPress WooCommerce website. So before starting my video, I have to tell you something that as we know before, if we want to import our WooCommerce sample data to our website, then we have to collect it from Google. But now we don't need to download it from Google or collect it from Google, because WooCommerce currently provides us the ready-made sample data inside the WooCommerce plugin. So let's check how can we import this sample data to our website. To do that, first of all, you need to log into your WordPress dashboard. So I'm already logged in to my dashboard, and it is my local server. So that's not a live server; it's a local server. So inside your WordPress dashboard, find products from WordPress dashboard menu. Then click on products. If you notice that my shop page is currently empty, if I refresh, then you see my shop page is currently empty. So as you can see, my shop page is currently empty and no products are found matching your selection. So now when you click on products, then you see two options. One is create product and another is start import. So we are going to import our products. So click on import. So it will take some time. Once you click on import, then you will see this page. So now click on choose file. You have to choose our CSV file to import our product. So as you know that this is my local server, so I'm going to import it from my local server, and this WooCommerce plugin is located inside my local server. So I'm going to click jam, then click on export. Here is my folder name, and inside this folder is the WP content plugins, and I'm going to find my WooCommerce plugin. Here is my WooCommerce plugin. So inside our WooCommerce plugin is the folder called sample data. Inside our sample data folder, you will find our sample products. So click on sample products.csv. So now click on continue. You don't need to do anything here. Just click on continue. So it will take some time to import our product. So wait for a few seconds until our product is imported. So once our product is importing started, then you see this option. So leave it like this. You don't need to do anything, and just click on the run the importer. So our product is currently importing our product imported is started. So just wait for a few minutes or seconds. Depends on your server. So as you know, this is my local server, so it will take some time, maybe, I don't know. So currently, as you can see, my product are importing. My import process are started, so maybe it will take some more time. So let's wait for that until my importing is finished. Actually, we have to import our product to test our work on local server. Sometimes you need to practice your work on local server before you actually apply these changes to your client server. So then it's mandatory to before applying anything on your client server, you have to try it on your local server. Almost finished. Just maybe 2 more seconds. Okay, my product is completed. So my page will be there now. Okay, here you can see that import complete 24